People ask me all the time, very common question, what is the number I need to be on the e-collar with my dog? It depends on your dog and it depends on your situations. It's very important that you be consistent when you use the e-collar. So if you tell your dog not to do something and they don't listen, you need to give them stimulation. A lot of times people say, well, as soon as I reach for that remote control, they stop. You still want to follow up with stimulation to remind them, hey, I told you not to do that. And that way that doesn't ever happen again, or it dissipates greatly, the behavior dissipates. The other piece of it is, it depends on the dog and the situation that the dog is in. Sometimes you'll have to be super high, and that could be with a drivey dog, a dog who's very drivey and doesn't even feel those numbers. So you got to dial up. You got to be okay with dialing up. So long as your dog is conditioned properly to the e-collar, that's fine to dial up to a level that they feel, and that makes them stop what they're doing. And then the other thing is, you'll have sensitive dogs who feel like very low levels, and that's all you ever need. And you can be on level 3 or 4 out of 100 at all times for certain dogs, okay? But your more opportunistic drivey dogs, you're gonna be high, and you're gonna have to be okay with being high. And that's in high drive situations, usually those things that set them off, like maybe dog reactivity or toys, anything like guarding, things like that, that would put a dog into that mindset. So those are some tips for you with the e-collar.